Hi guys, welcome back to J Studio. Look what we have. Here is the Audioex tutor. Yes, of course, brand named Audioex is very familiar because nowadays they are making very good quality products, especially subwoofers, woofers, and dual con speaker, woofer, etc. And now we have got a hands-on review of this Audioex tongue tutor. So there is no box, as you can see, and they come with this plastic cover, and they come in a big box with 10 to 20 pieces, I think, and we can buy just the single pieces like this. So there is no box or no branding box like that. So this is how it looks. So we have two nose right here because I'm gonna make a box using a 4-inch Bolton woofer. So placing the tutor on the top and two woofer on the back, on the bottom we get a single box. So I'm gonna make that box, and so stay subscribed for that unboxing video of Bolton 4-inch woofer and also the making of that sound box. So this is how it looks, the Audioex tutor. Pretty good in my opinion, and the initial look very nice. And as you can see, this is having a magnet on the back, and the disappointing thing is they have not given the positive and negative terminals, where which one is we are not sure. So that's it. And the first look, premium quality, you can see. Okay, if we use this tutor in a box with a woofer, you can see that premium quality, kind of manufactured by a premium brand. So if you use a good kind of screw, then it will give a good finishing to your box. So this is how it look, and they are not mentioned any watts, any power. I think about 10 watts or maximum up to 10 watts, I think. So anyway, this is the model number AX3300, and this is how it looks, and pretty small and very cute, I think. Very nice looking one, and this is how the paper looks. And let's check the other one. So it's kind of symmetry, I think, because Audioex speakers, woofers are very good in quality and very good in performance. And also talking about the pricing, for a single piece, for this one it costs 240 rupees. So 240 rupees is the price of this single tutor. So it's a kind of a pricey one, but yes, it's worth the job because it's very good in performance. Anyway, I have to check the performance, so we will do a check. We will do a quality checking right now to check the performance of this Audioex tutor. So Audioex speakers, woofers are kind of costly in my opinion, and they have got a magnet size tutor. So let me check the quality of this tutor by just connecting this to the amplifier and check whether any issue with the high frequency performance. So we should check whether a low frequency is coming through this tutor or not. So it's a tutor, right? So only high frequency should come. We have to check whether any voice is coming or not. I think it's good because we have checked on the shop and we are pretty impressed by the performance. Anyway, we have to check the performance right now. So let's do. So guys, that's it. So we have checked the performance quality of Audioex tutor. Pretty impressed by the performance because it's not too high, not too low, the perfect. The what we need is given by this Audioex tutor, because no over high frequency and very noisy, but not that much low. They give the accurate output from this tutor. So this is a very good choice if you are going to make a 5.1 home theater or a 2.1. You can use this on your wall speaker because this gives the perfect voice through this high frequency voice through this tutor. So that's it. Thus we are going to end this video. And also, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and for more videos like this, stay subscribed.